Hi, welcome to Doggers Park, and this is Dobby, and he's a brown chocolate lab, and he's 2 months old.
1 month and 6 days.
1 month and 6 days old, and today is his first day. We have brought him today just now, and he has got a lot of dandruff. This is his first bath, so we are using this coconut shampoo. It's available online as well. We have already made a mixture of this, and now we are going to give him a cleansing bath.
Let's
Start.
go. Your first bath. Yeah. No, don't. Chalo. No.
So now we have washed him with the shampoo, and we are just cleaning up with the clean water. Make sure to clean them well so that no shampoo remains in the skin, otherwise they can get irritation, can get skin infection, which is very common in early stages. So he's nice and clean, all the dandruff is gone. This is a special, it's a pet towel, it's a quick dry towel. It soaks more water than an average human towel. So we're going to use this. It's very important to make sure that they are very dry. So after this we are also going to use the dryer, and we are doing it on a bright sunny day so that they don't remain wet. Otherwise they can get skin infection, and which is very common. Rashes are very common in early stages. Ooh. So still a little bit of water is there, so we are going to use the dryer to make sure that he's completely dry. We don't want to take any chances, especially with kids below the age of 6 months. We should not be taking any chances because they are very prone to illnesses. This belly region is most prone to rashes, so we need to make sure this is dry.